What's up guys, I just arrived from my 2-week vacation in Europe together with my sister, and I obviously miss the cool weather there because here in Manila it is really hot, so that's why I'm wearing just a jersey right now. During the last leg of our tour in Paris, I went for some shopping since it was my birthday on that day, May 29 by the way. Coincidentally, NikeLab and Supreme are close to one another, so I decided to buy stuff from their stores. And hence, I brought home this big paper bag full of the stuff that I bought from both stores. So to kick things off, I'll show you what I bought from Supreme. You have this familiar white Supreme plastic bag, and with every purchase, they actually give you the Supreme sticker, which they actually sell this sticker at somewhat ridiculous prices. So I got this black and white striped short sleeve t-shirt which has subtle Supreme branding, you can see in the camera. And this one is part of the May 23 drop. When I went inside the store, the shirt was just sitting there, just grab my size, pay in the counter, and it was that easy. No hype, no lines, no chaos. That's the way I like it anyway. I bought this ACG cap because it's nice and orange and it's ACG, plus the print on the top is really nice. It's a great addition to my growing collection of caps. For the main highlight, I happened to cop one of my grail pairs at that store. And if the box doesn't ring a bell, yes, this is a Fear of God shoe. Compared to the Philippines, it's relatively easy to buy hype pairs like this, especially in Europe. Most of the time, these pairs are just sitting down at the store in broken sizes. There's a good chance that you'll be able to cop a pair. Like in this case, when I wanted the Fear of God Moccasin, they had it in my size, which is size 11. Coincidentally, it was the last pair, so I just had to grab it. Let's unbox this pair. For the pair that I got the Fear of God Moccasin in Particle Beige. It's a mid-cut shoe with the Air 180 inspired midsole, blocky design, and the material used, it's more of a ripstop upper, minimal lining, so I suggest you wear thick socks with this. Two reasons why I end up getting the Particle Beige colorway. First thing is because the black colorway of this is not available in my actual size. They had it in 10.5 and 11.5. I tried fitting both sizes and it doesn't fit right, so I needed a size 11, and since the Particle Beige was available in size 11, I decided to get this. Another reason why I got the Particle Beige colorways, since I don't have a pink colored sneaker, if you look closely, it has more of a pastel pink-like color. I decided to choose this particular colorway because it's a nice addition to my collection of sneakers, which is mostly dominated by either black or white. Why do I like the Fear of God Moccasin? First things first, the design. It's simple, it's minimalist, wherein you only have a Velcro midfoot strap and a magnetic tab here so that you can easily wear the pair without any hassle. The material is simple, it's a ripstop fabric which is meant for durability. So, pwede mo siya pang harabas without worrying about the pair ripping apart. And you have this drawstring detail at the back, which is a Jerry Lorenzo Fear of God aesthetic, which adds a technical element to the sneaker. As for the cushioning, you have an Air Max sole, which is inspired by the Air 180, and on fit, when I tried the pair, it's softer than your typical Air Max shoe. So yes, it is more comfortable than the typical Air Max 90, the typical Air Max 1, or the typical Air Max 180. Some people have mixed thoughts about the Fear of God Moccasin because of its unusual cut, which gives you an illusion of an unusually wide ankle area over here. It's not bothersome for me, to be honest, especially when you're wearing pants. I'm not sure though if it's the same when you're wearing shorts. That I have to try out sometime. So let's see if I agree with other sneaker reviewers regarding the cut of the Fear of God Moccasin. Now, a lot of people probably ask, how much did they actually pay for this? In Paris, they retail for 170 euros, which translates to roughly 10,200 pesos. Well, it's far more expensive than its supposed retail price in the Philippines, which is at 7,700. But remember, in Paris, if you spend more than 176 euros, you get a tax rebate of at least 12%. So factoring in the tax rebate, I probably purchased this pair at around give or take 9,000 pesos, which is still a fair price. Some closing thoughts about my birthday shopping in Paris. The experience of buying a sneaker in NikeLab, it's definitely one for the books because there in the store, the staff will be more than happy to assist you with the pair you want, the size you want. They'll let you try out different sizes so that you get the right fit for your feet. Upon purchase, I found out in the store that if you have a Nike account, you can actually log in the purchase you made from that store through your Nike account, and it can earn you some points, it can earn you some perks. So quick recommendation, if you're buying Nike pairs abroad, make sure to have an online Nike account because it will definitely help. Am I happy with this pair? Yep, definitely, because I really want this pair ever since I saw this in person at Big Boy Cheng's house. Finally, I have it and I'm really ready to wear them in the coming days. That's it for this quick vlog. So, until the next time guys, and I hope lumamig na ng konti kasi ang init na yun sa Pilipinas. Rainy season should start in a few days time and I'm kind of looking forward to it since I can actually wear this pair without worrying about the rain.